The affliction of masses that have come for you. The masses will come for you. You will be one day walking down the street. You will be infiltrated, and your body will not be yours until at your time you can see what is not reality and what is the truth. What is the truth? The truth lies only within yourself. And this time, you light with the you, and they will probably take you. And then Mr. Grubenhimer will be implanted into your body as a chip. Oh, scientific American magazine in 1952 predicted this. Well, how did they predict it? Well, the publisher of this magazine was known not only up to this world, not from you, in a small page in Warsaw, Poland, to be exact, Vasily Wachowski, and a hand to be known him and his genius. He was subsequently murdered, and his body was found floating Flint River with Waterville Haven. And I cannot understand why to this day the case remains open. How many people will be murdered and then the case will be closed, or a law enforcement says, well, the case will be how about doing something and investigating? No, they don't investigate. They're still trying to find D.B. Cooper. Yes, D.B. Cooper. Oh, yes. Well, I can tell you right now, your case, you get too close to them, and your murder will remain open forever. Maybe they'll find your body. If they do, well, you'll see probably the signs of a chip planted somewhere. What is this? Asked the coroner. I don't know. What could make a circular incision such as this? Oh, I don't know. Well, of course they don't know what it is. Stupid coroner. You stupid fumbling fool. Insert a chip to the body. That was a recording of Hans Grubenhimer in a 1953 interview. The recording was very, very primitive and sketchy. At the time, he believed that the recording was being bombarded, and to give it a sort of a echoey sound, that there was no effects like that to give it that sound. And strangely enough, he predicted all of these things in 1953. And he was subsequently found, well, his body was found. The cause of death was unknown. And the case remains open to this day. Yeah, he predicted this. So I ask you, when will you act? If you do run a risk of, well, disappearing, maybe your body being found in sort of a cylindrical incision in the neck area. Are you ready to stand up and fight? Will you, or are you afraid? If we're all afraid to wind up
forgotten, or the case open, or death undetermined, that's how they will keep us silent. Let us try to band together and be brave. Thank you. And God bless.